Hola mis amores. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And if this is your first time tuning in, hola, hello, my name is Samantha. So today is going to be a MONSTA X Fatal Love album unboxing haul. This is strictly going to be a pull video. If you want to see what the contents of each album are and go extensively through the photo books and everything, I will have a link to that video in the card or down below. This is just to see where I'm at with my MONSTA X Fatal Love collection so I can start trading. And yeah, so let's just dive right into it. Uno, dos, tres. So I was trying to figure out a way to fit everything in one big screen because I have a tiny screen right now. But anyway, I purchased 8 albums from K-Town For You specifically because as of right now, I'm collecting Shonu and Juhan. I already unboxed this one, as you can see, because this is the one that I was missing to have a all versions unboxing that I did on my previous video. The other albums were purchased in my city when I did my K-pop shopping vlog. Since if you watch that video, the previous video, you already know what my pulls are. So I'm just going to open it and show you what my pulls were so I can get it over with. So I got this Kian. Amazing. And again, I got Minhyuk and another Changyun. I think I'm gonna get a little Changyun and Kian. So that's, if you saw my previous video, you already knew these were my pulls for the version 4. So I'm gonna put this aside, and that's how I'm going to be doing the rest of these pulls, going straight in, opening it, taking out, and showing you guys my pulls. Let's get unboxing. I'm so excited to see what I got.